Are you worried about GDPR or CCPA compliance on your website? Or maybe you've seen that cookie consent banner on other sites and wondered how to set it up on yours. Or why did they set that? In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know about Cookiebot by Usercentrics, a powerful tool that helps your WordPress website stay compliant with global privacy laws. But before we jump into the setup process, let's quickly understand what GDPR, CCPA, and cookie consent actually mean, and why it's so important for you as a website owner. GDPR is a European privacy law that requires websites to get clear consent before collecting any personal data from users, like tracking cookies, IP addresses, or location info. CCPA is a similar law for California users, giving them the right to know what data is collected and the option to opt out of its sale. And cookie consent simply means asking your visitors for permission before storing or using cookies that aren't strictly necessary, like analytics or advertising cookies. For example, let's say you're running a personal blog and using tools like Google Analytics or showing ads. If you don't ask for consent and someone from the EU or California visits your site, you could be unknowingly violating privacy laws, which may lead to fines, legal warnings, or being blacklisted by certain platforms. That's where Cookiebot by Usercentrics comes in. It handles cookie scanning, consent banners, and user preferences automatically, so you stay on the safe side without any coding. Let's now dive into the step-by-step setup process. It's the best tool in the cookie consent management industry. There is no doubt about security. Millions of people use this tool. 7 billion monthly user consents. Fine. This tool is available for WordPress, Wix, and even if your website is made with custom code. Just keep watching this tutorial. First, sign up for this tool for free. Complete the sign-up process. Here they are asking about you. You can fill it, but currently I am skipping. Enter your website URL here. If you scroll down, you will find many templates like GDPR, CCPA, etc. You can see the brief information from these buttons. I am choosing the GDPR template. Then Next. Here, you have to configure the consent banner. Choose Banner Layout. You can view the banner in the center or the lower part of the screen. I prefer to use the center. Style Effect, Overlay for the shadow view. I like the light theme. Now customize the button style. You can also add a logo to the banner. In the Compliance section, you can manage the options of Allow and Deny. You can test each option and finally decide which one you want to keep. Then finally, in Distribution, choose All Visitors, which means when a visitor comes first time to your website, they will see this consent pop-up and accept or reject. You may notice the texts inside the pop-up. To change the texts and options of the form, go to the Content menu. You will find all the texts to modify. You can check one by one and edit them. Then move to the Privacy tab. You can make the privacy trigger visible if you want. I prefer to disable this. Then go Next. This is the final step. Our banner is ready. Now we need to implement that on our website. Here, there are many methods. You can paste the code inside the head tags. But if you are a WordPress user like me, then it will be a little easier. We just need to install a plugin. Go to your website, add a new plugin. Search for Cookiebot. Install and activate it. Go to the Settings page of this plugin. Now copy the key from this code. Paste here. then connect the account. Account connected successfully. Let's check our website first. Everything looks fine. The pop-up is working perfectly. Let's jump back to the dashboard and you can browse the settings. You can check them one by one. Explanations are also given. I like to enable auto update. You can then finish the process and also can modify the banner from here anytime. Currently, my account is in a 14-day free trial. After these 14 days, you should enable the free subscription from this same website. My website only has 12 pages, which is fine to run in the free plan. If your website has more pages, then you can upgrade to any plan. It starts from $8 per month. Now you may think, why should you spend this? The answer is it's far better to become risk-free. If someone cases a case against you, then you may have to pay thousands and thousands of dollars. So, that's it. If you have any questions, then feel free to ask me in the comments section.